Hello friends, welcome to Legal Bharat. Our today's topic is concept of state and its elements, distinction between state, society and government. Friends, if you are a student of BLLB, LLB, or if you are preparing for any competitive exams like CLAT or judiciary or even UPSC, I would request you to subscribe to this channel because in this channel I'm going to cover all the topics of the subject political science and other subjects of law. Or if you want video on any particular topic, you can message me in the chat box in the comment section, and I will come up with the video next time on that particular topic. So friends, let's discuss our today's topic, which is concept of state. Definition of state. Cicero is said the state is a numerous society united by common sense of right and mutual participation in advantages. So what is society? Like you know that human people do not live alone. We don't live in isolation. So society is a group of people who share common lifestyle and organization. So the people who share common lifestyle and organization form a society. So this is what Cicero has said here, that is is numerous societies united by common sense of right and mutual participation in advantages. Bodin said state is an association of families and their common possession governed by a supreme power and by reason. Woodrow Wilson has said state is people organized for law within definite territory. Who are these people? These are like political thinkers and authors of different books on political science. Opium has said the state exists when a people settle in a country under its own sovereignty. Gardner has said the state is a community of persons, more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory, independent of external control, and possessing an organized government to which the great body of inhabitants render habitual obedience. So, what is sovereignty here? Sovereignty means that the state, the state means country here, has no external complications, like they are not uh, working or operating under the command or control of any external power. The state, which has internal sovereignty as well as the external sovereignty, is actually a sovereign nation. Burgers has said that state is a particular portion of mankind viewed as an organized unit. He said the state is a particular portion of mankind viewed as an organized, like we people of India, we are being called as Indians or Bharatiya, because people outside of this country see us as a particular unit, see us as a particular. They try to frame our view by our appearance, the way we dress, the way we talk, the way we speak. Stephen L. Wasby has said the state is a collection of people in a certain territory having organized government and possessing autonomy with respect to other such units. Autonomy means independence of particular units. So like a collection of people, different people living in certain territory and who are being organized, or having organized government, जिनकी एक organized government हो और जिनके पास एक autonomy हो अपनी सरकार को चलाने के लिए. So what are essential characteristics or elements or features of state? The state has four essential elements. क्या क्या? State के essential elements क्या है? One, population होनी चाहिए. खाली जगह is not called state. Territory होनी चाहिए. Territory is geography. कितना एरिया आपका अंदर में है. Third, government, सरकार होनी चाहिए जो उसको चलाए. And sovereignty. Sovereignty means उनका अपना कंट्रोल होना चाहिए उस पब्लिक का, उस गवर्नमेंट का अपने देश पे. So population and territory, you already know, these are like short notes to get you a good go through of this entire topic. You can write about population and what territory is. So let's discuss what government is. The government is the political organization of the state set up to direct, regulate and control men's activities. लोगों की एक्टिविटीज को डायरेक्ट करने के लिए, रेगुलेट करने के लिए जो बॉडी बनाई जाती है, दैट इज अ पॉलिटिकल बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड गवर्नमेंट, टू एनेबल देम टू लिव टुगेदर हार्मोनियस, ताकि वो लोग हार्मोनियसली आपस में रह सके। ऐसा ना हो कि स्ट्रॉन्ग आदमी वीक आदमियों लोगों को परेशान करे या हैरेस करे। एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिवली एंड टू सॉल्व देयर कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स मोर एनर्जेटिकली एंड इफेक्टिवली, और उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को एनर्जेटिकली और इफेक्टिवली सॉल्व करे। दैट इज गवर्नमेंट। व्हाट इज सॉवरेनिटी? Sovereignty is the most important element of the state. इस सबसे important element है, इसी से ही state को state बोला जा सकता है। Sovereignty is a supremacy or supreme power of the state. It is the highest power of the state. It is a characteristic possessed by the state alone. It makes the state independent and supreme. ये state को independent बनाती है and supreme बनाती है। Sovereignty, that is internal supremacy and external independence. Sovereignty क्या होती है? Internal supremacy होती है, like internally country is the supreme, and external independence. And externally there is no external threat or would not budge to any external or foreign powers. Is a distinctive characteristic that distinguishes the state from all forms of human association. Those who do not obey the laws formed by the government are punished. जो लोग government के laws को follow नहीं करते, they are being punished by judiciary. This is called internal sovereignty. What is external sovereignty? External sovereignty means that the state is free to make its foreign policy without any external pressure. Externally, the country should be completely free from foreign control and dictation. Like our country, कोई भी हमें US बोलता है या foreign countries बोलते हैं कि आप कोई स्टैंड लो, ऐसे करो, लेकिन we don't listen to them. Like current times when there is Ukraine war going on, and the West wants us to side with the Ukraine, not Russia. But our government has decided to stay neutral. Rather, we still do trade with the Russia. That's our sovereignty. That's our external sovereignty. Whereas there are smaller countries in Europe who may want to do business with Russia, but because the Western powers are putting pressure on them to side with the Ukraine, so they are not supporting Ukraine. So they don't have the external sovereignty. Now let's discuss what is the difference between state and society. State is only a political association. It's a political association. It's a part and parcel of society. Society is a wider term. Okay, it is an association of many associations. Society is association of many associations. So what is association? Is a group of people who work together in a single organization for a particular purpose, like political association or religious association. All right. State is artificial. It is a creation of will and reason. However, it has become a compulsory institution. It says the state is artificial. Is a creation of will and reason. लोग वो फॉर्म करते हैं कि ओके हमारे इस एरिया को ऐसे ना हम इंडिया देते हैं, तो then the India came into existence. However, now it has become a compulsory institution. Society is natural and instinctive to human beings. Society natural चीज है, ये कोई बनाता नहीं. State is territorial institution. It is limited to a definite territory. State की एक definite geography होती है, definite territory होती है. Like we know India के कितनी borders है. Society universal है. Society does not have territorial limitations. The state is sovereign and employs the method of coercion or compulsion to enforce its laws. Hence, exercise of authority is the basis of its operation. जो state क्या है, sovereign है, और वो ताकत जोर जबरदस्ती से भी एनफोर्स करता है अपनी लॉज को. इसीलिए जो उसकी अथॉरिटी का एक्सरसाइज है वो ही इसका ऑपरेशन का मोड है. सोसाइटी ऐसा नहीं करती. सोसाइटी डिमांड्स ओबीडियंस थ्रू कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशंस एंड मोरालिटीज. लोगों को इस तरीके से वो डिमांड करती है कि ओबीडियंस फॉलो करे. गवर्नमेंट इज द एजेंसी ऑफ द स्टेट. गवर्नमेंट एक स्टेट की एजेंसी है, सोसाइटी का कोई ऐसी फॉर्मल एजेंट नहीं. Now, what is the difference between state and government? State has an inherent authority. State की existence से ही अपनी एक authority होती है. Government को authority कहाँ से मिलती है? Constitution से. State is a larger unit. Government is a smaller unit. We cannot see the state. State एक abstract चीज है, हम इसको देख नहीं सकते, but we can see the government. It is near permanent institution. Why we have written here is near permanent and not permanent, because state is a permanent institution unless कोई foreign aggression ना हो या foreign borders change ना हो, otherwise it is near permanent institution. Government is temporary. स्टेट पावर्स आर रियल एंड ओरिजिनल. स्टेट की जो पावर है रियल होती है, ओरिजिनल होती है. गवर्नमेंट्स की पावर कहते हैं डेलीगेटेड होती है, डेलीगेट करे जाते हैं मिनिस्ट्रीज को डिफरेंट पावर्स, और डेरिवेटिव होती है, उन पावर से ही कुछ काम निकलते हैं और उनको अथॉरिटी मिलती है. इज अ क्राइम टू कंडेम वन स्टेट, इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज रिवोल्ट. स्टेट को आप कंडेम नहीं कर सकते, बुरा भला नहीं बोल सकते. अगर बोलते हैं तो इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ रिवोल्ट. बट यू हैव अ राइट टू क्रिटिसाइज अ गवर्नमेंट. ये रिवोल्ट नहीं माना जाएगा. स्टेट इज होल, गवर्नमेंट इज इट्स पार्ट. स्टेट एक एंटायर यूनिट है और गवर्नमेंट उसका, स्टेट का ही एक छोटा सा पार्ट है. So this is the end of this chapter, and we will meet in next video in our next where we cover the third section of this unit 1 of political science. This is a subject of BALLB first semester. So if you have any questions, please uh, write them down in the comment section. If you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.